I stand at the edge of the sea, surrounded by endless shades of blue and the feeling of infinity. Far away, the sun slowly sinks beneath the horizon, and the waves keep rolling in, one after another, gently crashing onto the shore. Within the sound of these waves lies a strange kind of peace. It feels as if every wave is whispering, "Let everything go, free yourself." A soft breeze touches my face, and in that moment I realize life is not as complicated as we make it. The waves come, and then they go, just like the moments in our lives. Some people arrive, leaving behind memories, and then fade away into the flow of time. The ocean never stops, and in its endless motion lies one of life's greatest lessons. Never to stop, but to keep moving forward. When you feel alone, when it seems like you've lost everything, think of this ocean. You will see every pain, every sorrow will fade away, just like the waves upon the shore. This vast ocean teaches us something powerful. No matter how small you feel, there is an infinite strength within you. All you need is to believe in yourself. Sometimes the roar of the waves feels overwhelming, and sometimes it reminds you that life is full of challenges, and through those challenges, peace is found. If you fall, rise again, just like the waves that return to the shore again and again. Be like the ocean, deep, powerful, and endlessly patient, because life will not always be easy, but if you refuse to stop, one day you will reach your destination. Listen to the sound of these waves. It is not just water, it is a kind of music, a beautiful symphony created by nature itself, a melody that calms your mind and washes away the restlessness within you. Close your eyes and simply listen. Let every wave carry away your worries and leave behind a sense of peace. You are not alone. Nature is always with you. This vast sky, this endless sea, together they seem to whisper, "Do not worry. Everything will be all right." It may take time, but everything will be all right. So today, give yourself a moment, breathe deeply, like the ocean, and let go of all your worries, because life is short, and finding peace within it is what truly matters. The waves will come and go, but you remain strong, just like the ocean. And in the end, peace will always find its way back to you. Pause, breathe slowly, feel the rhythm of the waves, rising, falling, like your own breath. Inhale.com, exhale, release, let the sound guide you deeper into stillness. There is nothing you need to chase right now, nothing you need to prove, just be here. In this moment, the ocean does not rush, yet it reaches every shore. Trust your journey, even when life feels uncertain, even when the path is unclear. Remember, every wave finds its way, and so will you. So listen, once more, to the waves, to the silence between them. That silence is where peace lives, and that peace is already within you.
Asan itu cuy? Hmm.